Hi everybody, well we're going to have we're out in the polytunnel today on a lovely sunny February day, but it is rather cold, so we thought we'd warm ourselves up with a curry. Rather ambitious for us I think this, but we'll give it a go, and we've tried to use ingredients that you could grow on the plot or in a polytunnel. Some of these things are a little bit more exotic, as we'll explain as we go along, so you might need a polytunnel or a greenhouse for some of the ingredients. But basically we thought we'd have a go at a Thai curry, a Thai green curry, or an approximation of one at least. You might not find the recipe in any normal recipe book by the time we've finished, but we'll have a go. So got some nice ingredients here.
It's going to be vegetarian.
This is vegetarian.
So
yeah,
yeah. Use vegetables. I mean, you can use any vegetables in a vegetable curry.
Yeah,
really,
whatever you like.
But
yeah.
we're going to use some peppers, which obviously you can. Are you going to chop pepper?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, if we're ready to chop. Yep.
Yeah.
Yes, no worries.
Obviously, you can grow peppers. We can all grow peppers in a greenhouse, particularly, or even on a warm patio. So that's a good one to start with.
Yeah.
The other vegetables we're going to use are a courgette. Again, we can grow lots of courgettes on our plots. We're going to use, we've got some little baby sweet corn here, which again you can grow, and some mange tout.
Yeah, but really it's whatever you like, whatever you really want, or what you've got on your plot. So yeah, while they're chopping there, we've got a few other slightly more exotic ingredients as well, because we're going to make a curry paste. So we've got things here like ginger root, we've got a shallot, clove of garlic, I'm getting splashed by pepper juice here, some lemongrass, and some homegrown peppers there, so we're going to add those in as well. We're going to make a paste with those. Could have done with a chopping board really, but I'll start peeling a bit of ginger. So yeah, sort of two stages really. We're going to make a curry paste, blitz it up, and then we'll start cooking the curry.
Okay.
Right, so we've chopped up all our ingredients. Yeah, we've got some veg for the curry.
We've got some mange tout, we've got pepper, we've got little sweet corn,
some courgettes, some orange pepper in that one.
And then what we got for this is for the actual curry paste.
Oh yeah, this is the paste ingredient. So we've got chopped ginger, just a little piece, a thumb-sized piece of chopped ginger. We've got a lemongrass, just a nice piece of lemongrass chopped. What else? We've got 2 garlic cloves. We've only got 1 pepper at the moment. We like it a bit warmer, don't we?
I think we need another pepper.
So one of these. How hot are these, Tony?
They're quite hot, I think.
Are they?
Yeah, reasonable.
Oh, well, we'll go for that. Oh. So we've just got to chop 1 more pepper.
Lovely.
You're going to leave the seeds in this time?
Yeah, leave the seeds in. I like a bit of the heat.
A bit of fire.
Oh.
Go on, be brave.
Oh, it's only for the brave. Right, so that's our curry paste. For our curry paste, so that's got to go in the blitzer, which might be easier said than done, but we'll try and so put all that in there. Gosh, you catch the bits on. There we go, that'll do. Okay.
Anything else that's going there?
Yeah, we need half a teaspoon of cumin. We've got a little measure here. I suppose you can even grow this yourself, couldn't you, from seeds? I suppose you can. Yeah, from the seeds, grind up the seeds. Whoa. That's half a teaspoon of that. And then we need some coriander. Oh yeah, we do need. Got my scissors here somewhere. So it's just a small handful of coriander, which is just as well because we've only got a little blitzer here.
Do you want to
just whack that in. Put our lid on. Make some noise. Now we've got to add some fish sauce. Whoops, I'm cumin over. So you want, let me refer to my notes here, so you want a tablespoon, I think we've got a measure there, of fish sauce. And whack that in, and then we'll blend it up again. Cool. Have to just give it a poke, I think. Always happens with these little things. It does smell great, doesn't it?
All sorts of scents in that.
Ooh, get hold of this already. It's going to warm this up. Cool. Right, so now we've got to cook that just very briefly for about a minute with a little bit of oil. Oh, well done. You must do this really well. I think we might have to get our oil, Tony, which I think might be over in our store cupboard over there.
Oh, yeah.
I think so. Oh, thank you very much. So from Funny Craddock, that makes you Johnny, I think, doesn't it? Is that right?
Right.
Or was that
All
just showing me age?
Show me your age.
Little bit of oil, heat it up. And we've got to cook up our curry paste. Got a spoon somewhere, haven't I? There we go. Oh, thank you very much. Oh wow, gets hot quickly, doesn't it?
There's a spider.
Oh, throw him in. Oh no, it's vegetarian.
Oh, it's
Whoa.
oh no, he's gone in.
Oh, no other animals were harmed in the making of this video. There you go. I'll stir him in. No one will notice. Oh, that does smell good. Must be the. No.
Oh, yeah.
So cook that for about a minute. Meanwhile, I'll open up my coconut milk.
Stirring.
You keep. I've got light coconut milk here because we all want to keep slim, don't we?
Yourself, then.
I haven't. No. I suppose I could.
This year.
I think coconuts might be a bit beyond our shores.
Yes.
Right, half a tin of coconut milk, which is about 200 mils. There you go. I've got to simmer that for about 5 minutes. Oh, and we've got to put our stock in as well. We've got 300 mils of vegetable stock. Now, good old stir in. And we're going to use some of our kaffir lime leaves, probably about 1 per person. Nice fresh leaves, look at this.
Ooh.
Unbelievable.
You just tear them, do you?
Yeah, just tear them up a little bit. We want to be able to get them out afterwards, so I'll just
Right.
tear them up a little bit, bruise them. Perhaps they're so nice, let's put in a... We're experimenting, aren't we? Let's put a few more in.
Throw it in.
Throw it in, eh? But if you haven't got kaffir lime leaves, then use a lime juice.
Just get a lime and just squeeze it.
Here we go.
Nice,
Lovely.
beautiful smell. Those leaves, isn't it?
It's starting to smell Thai now. That maybe
Yeah.
added the kaffir.
That's it. So we'll cook that for 5 minutes. Let it reduce a little bit.
So the kaffir leaves, it's a citrus tree.
Yeah. And so we've got the actual limes there, which are amazing, aren't they?
Really?
And Plants for Presents actually sell the plants.
Yeah.
And you can grow them in a conservatory or you can grow them in a greenhouse. But you could put them outside on the patio in the summer.
Yeah, nice sheltered spot,
Think
sunny
you'd need
spot.
A heated greenhouse in the winter, or think they'd overwinter?
Depends,
Okay.
yeah. I mean, it might need a little bit.
Might
And
need
to
a
be
bit of
honest,
heat.
you'd be better off putting it in a porch in the house or in the conservatory
Get
over
some heat.
winter.
Yeah.
Because if it gets really, really cold, I mean, it's okay if it goes down to about 0 degrees, isn't it? I think sort of
Yeah.
Anything
if anything
below that.
below that, sort of -2 or 3 and you get that in the greenhouse, it could
Well,
be.
you would in this one. For
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. And the other things we've got in here, which you can get from Plants for Presents plants, is
Got
the
lemongrass. Yeah, we've got a great plant
That's a
here.
healthy specimen.
You can see, look at that. You could just take that off.
Just take this one off here, couldn't you?
You could.
I mean, you basically just keep planting up into a bigger pot each year and just taking off what you want, just a stem. But lovely and fresh. I mean, it's
Yeah,
going to have
great.
that beautiful flavour.
It's got to be better in the supermarket, hasn't it?
Anything tastes better when it's really fresh. And
It's
just
quite
picked.
nice sort of ornamental as well, isn't it? Really?
Yeah.
I mean, they can get quite struggling in, can't they? Obviously.
Yeah.
But they are ideal for a again, a polytunnel.
Yeah. And they can go out in the summer when you're nice sunny spot.
What's the other one we've got? We've got.
Oh yeah, we've got some ginger,
Oh,
which has got to be better fresh than. So it's quite a nice plant.
yeah.
Yeah.
Look at very nice leaves, quite attractive leaves.
Little pink flush.
Again,
It's the
that's
actual
best to be
tubers.
grown in a pot, brought inside in the winter, and then you can actually lift it and put it into maybe a bigger pot. And as you're lifting it, then you can just take off a few roots from the bottom,
Yeah, look at those.
And replant half and eat half.
replant bits, and grow it like that.
Probably take a couple of years, I suppose, to build up again, so you can harvest it again. They've also sent us some turmeric, which I was intrigued about, because I've only ever seen this powdered in a jar, to be honest. I've not grown it myself.
Colour, isn't it?
Yeah.
Beautiful,
orange.
very ginger-like,
Yeah.
similar sort of thing. Obviously much more
'Cause it's
orange.
smelling.
Beautiful.
Doesn't really smell, does it?
Not
beautiful,
strong.
Beautiful orange colour.
And so,
Obviously why you get the
we'll see,
orange powder,
this time of year they've died back, but
So the leaves look very like
nice broad green leaves.
aspidistra pot plant.
Nice house plant.
So it make a nice house plant during the season. Obviously it's died back at this time of year.
Again, lift it, harvest some, plant the rest back in a pot.
I guess if you're keeping it over if you're keeping it in a house all the time, it must stay green all year round, would it?
I guess so, yeah. Yeah.
There we go.
Right, so we've cooked our curry paste. Just remains to put the veggies in.
Yeah.
Oh, we're cooking well now. Lovely. We say we've got courgettes, mixture of peppers here, mange tout. Let's help you out there, Tony. There you go. Lovely. Give them a stir. And now we've just got to cook that for 8 to 10 minutes to soften up the veggies. And we'll do a bit of rice to go with it. Right, well our curry's cooked. It's been on for about 8 to 10 minutes, bubbling away very nicely.
Lovely.
Smells
It
good.
does smell good.
Gorgeous.
Yeah, so we'll give it a try. We've got some rice here to go with it.
I think we probably need to take out the
Take some
kaffir leaves.
Yes, we'll take some of those out.
I think they might be a bit crunchy.
A little bit chewy. Sure, wouldn't crumble them up too much.
No.
There we go.
Shall I do the honours?
Do you do the honours, Tony?
There you go.
Thank you.
And a bit of.
Bit juice.
Juice.
A bit of juice.
There you go. Okay, a bit of pepper in
Got
there.
yours.
Oh yes. Oh, lovely. Thank you very much.
Oops. Seems to have taken rather a lot there.
Okay,
Right,
here goes.
give it a go.
Proof of the pudding.
Smells good.
Quite hot.
Oh, that's nice.
Oh, that works. Oh, that's
good.
very nice for a cold February day.
Oh, isn't it? Not too hot.
Yeah.
I can taste the kaffir leaves actually. I'm getting those.
Yeah, they've done the
sweet.
job of the lime, haven't they?
Sweet.
A little bit sweet.
Sweet.
Not blow my head off.
Oh,
It's just nice.
Could put a bit more chilli in.
Yeah, I think we could have. If you like it that way.
Yeah,
Still quite flavoursome though without that.
No, that's
Yeah.
really good.
that's a success.
Very good. I think it helps having the fresh
Definitely.
ingredients.
Actually, the lime leaves are lovely, aren't they?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Definitely worth growing
I'm getting that.
cafe lime, isn't it?
Veg hasn't been kind of overdone, has it? It's just got that, it's not hard, but it's got that little bit of crunch that you like.
Yeah. Very
Very nice.
successful curry.
I like that. Do give
Out
it a
the block.
try.